Developing a taxi app, a step-by-step guide. Get your taxi app customized for you. In this video, we will outline the essential steps to create your own ride-hailing platform. Step 1. Planning and research. Start by defining your goals, target audience, and unique selling points. Step 2. Designing user interface. Create an intuitive and user-friendly interface for drivers and passengers. Step 3. Back-end development. Build a robust server infrastructure to handle user requests and data. Step 4. Implementing GPS and maps. Integrate location services to enable real-time tracking and navigation. Step 5. Booking and dispatch system. Design a system for users to request rides and assign drivers. Step 6. Payment integration. Incorporate secure and convenient payment options within the app. Step 7. Rating and feedback system. Include a feature for users to rate drivers and provide feedback. Step 8. Driver management and admin panel. Create an administrative panel to manage drivers, fares, and analytics. By following these steps, you can create a successful ride-hailing platform that caters to your target audience's needs. Thanks for watching.